and give it up for Mr. Abdul Sami from Sachal Samas College, Hyderabad.
Imagine a world where everyone coming together is magic, making amazing things happen. Mr. President, think of this saying, we are strong when we are together, but weak when we are apart. Picture times, people are working as a team, created wonderful progress. But be careful, when people don't get along, the things can go wrong. Now let's imagine a new story, where everyone working together is bright light, showing the way to understanding and making the future, where everyone gets along and things are better than before. Despite we are Muslims, we are divided into particles of soil. Mr. President, Prophet Muhammad and Salahuddin Ayyubi emphasized unity, while figures like Washington and Mandela proved its strength. In Quran, Surah Hijr, verse 13, the Lord says that I made you into nations and tribes so that you recognize each other, neither you hate each other. But Mr. President, the words of Henry Ford, coming together is beginning, keeping together is progress, and working together is success. Mr. President, whenever the word comes unity, I recall the past. I recall the history. I recall the Battle of Badr. I recall the Battle of Yamama. I recall the Battle of Khandak. I recall the Battle of Uhud. I recall the year 1947, the year of creation of our beloved country, where Muslims were killed cruelly, but they united and said, we will not fall. We have spent our days in thrall. Now we will stand strong as a wall, hitting you like a cannonball, but we will not fall. But we will not fall. Mr. President, the words of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Rarely, believers are like a structure, each part is strengthening each other. But alas, we have forgotten it. We lost our East Pakistan because we were not united. And sadly, today we are remain divided. We are remain divided by our languages, caste, creed, religion, politics, and many more. Mr. President, today's Pakistan is under the heavy rain of external and internal challenges. Today we need a nation that has to come under one umbrella and stop being divided. That's why, Mr. President, that's why. I would definitely say that if you want to be a powerful, be united. If you want to be a great, be united. If you want to be a family, be united. If you want to be a team, be united. If you want to be a great, be united. And yes, remember that I am not only I, you are not only you. We are we, together, not ready to fall, not ready to give up, not ready to shut up, not ready to fall, not ready to fall.